Students, today we shall start a new chapter from the book Footprints Without Feet, and title of the lesson is also Footprint Without Feet. So it is written by Herbert George Wells. Herbert George Wells is also known as the father of science fiction. He was an English writer. He was born on September 21, 1866, and mainly he was a novelist. He wrote stories, biographies and autobiography, and most of his fiction novels are related to science. He was married to Isabel Mary Wells and got education from Royal College of Science. His works are The Time Machine, The War of the World, The First Man in the Moon, and The Invisible Man. He was passed away on August 13, 1946. So in this lesson, Griffin is one of the character. He is the protagonist of the fiction, and the title is Footprints Without Feet. There were footprints and he could not be seen. He became invisible after his research. He made one of the research being a science, and he became invisible because he was sought for a crime. He committed crimes and he was being searched, so he became invisible. The two boys started in surprise at the fresh muddy imprints of a bare feet. The two boys, there were two boys, started in surprise. In surprising, they started becoming surprised. Who did start becoming surprised? The two boys. The two boys began to become surprised at the fresh muddy imprints of a pair of bare feet. When they noticed there were the impressions of two bare feet that were without any shoes, means the man who passed, whose prints were there, he was not shod shoes. He was not in shoes or slippers or any footwear. What was a barefooted man doing on the steps of a house in the middle of London? A question came in the mind of those boys. What was the question? The question, what was a barefooted man doing? They thought the barefooted man, the man without shoes, what he was doing on the steps of a house, at the threshold of house, in the middle of London, in the mid of the London city. The question arose in the mind of two boys, what the man who was without shoes or footwear was doing at the threshold of a house in the mid of London city. And where was the man? And he could not see, they could not see the man, they could see only the footprints of the feet, impressions of the feet. As they gazed, when they started looking steadily, gaze means to stare, to look steadily, a remarkable sight met their eyes. They saw one of the wonderful sight. A fresh footmark appeared from nowhere. There was footmarks, and it was not dried, it was fresh, it was wet. What was wet? The footmark, footprint. The footprint was wet, it was not dried, it means it was fresh because it was not dry. Footmark appeared from nowhere, and from where it came, it was not known. Further, footprints followed. Not only one or two, there were other footprints also back to it. One after another, one footprint, then another footprint, and then next footprint, one after another, descending the steps and progressing down the street. They were going down the steps, from upper steps to down steps. What we are going down? From the step to step, footprints. From the top step, then to the lower steps. There were footprints of the man without feet, without footwear. The boys followed, fascinated. Two boys were attracted. Fascinated means attracted. The boys attracted and they started chasing the footprints where the footprints were going, until the muddy impression became fainter and fainter, till the time they chased the footprints, when they became more light and more light. In the beginning they were more clear, but when they passed to some distance, they saw that they were becoming more light, not so much dark, and at last disappeared altogether. And finally all the footprints disappeared, they became invisible. So now note down the questions. Why were the boys surprised? Next question, what were the boys chasing? Last question, what do you mean by the word descending? Thank you.